guys, today's video is going to be a DIY, basically furniture makeover slash DIY closet, and I just want to show you how I turned this, I really fell in love with it. I turned this $20 piece of furniture that I got from, I believe it was not a yard sale, but kind of like an estate sale. And I saw this piece of furniture and I was like, hey, I could do something with it. So I just wanted to show you guys what I did with it, and I completely love it, and I'll show you guys everything that I got and how I did it. So if you want to see how I did this, then please keep watching. So this is the paintbrush that I decided to use. It is 3 inches wide, and this is the paint that I got, and it is black semi-gloss for interior, and I did purchase this at my local Home Depot. So this is what I got for $20. It is painted white, very little coating, and so I decided just to get a dust rag, went through it, and now I'm going to begin painting it black. So this is how it looks now that I painted it black. It looks so much better and I'm happy the way it turned out. So the first thing I decided to add to this DIY closet is a treasure chest that I absolutely adore, that my dad happened to refurnish for me a couple of years ago. Thanks, Dad! So I was contemplating whether to buy these, but I did end up buying these at TJ Maxx, and then I just decided to throw some of my clothes on the hangers. So I got this beautiful frame that says Flawless, and it has white and black stripes at TJ Maxx, along with this beautiful thing that says Fearless, and another one of my favorite frames that says Champagne for Breakfast. I guess I'm kind of going for the whole gold, white, and black color scheme. All 3 of these things are about $7 each at TJ Maxx. So this is the finishing look for my DIY closet slash furniture makeover. I just added a donut on top and also lights around it, and this is how it came out, and I'm really happy about it, and I hope you guys like it too. So that was my video, and I basically did this with paint, couple of things from TJ Maxx, and put some Christmas lights. I completely love it. I hope you guys did too. If you do, go ahead and comment down below, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. Thank you, and I hope I see you guys in my next video. Bye!